From your line balancing screen, it is very easy to create a value stream map of the process. Simply go to the lean analysis in the menu bar at the top, select the option Value Stream Map, and then you'll be given the opportunity to browse to locate where you wish to put your value stream map. We recommend that you put the value stream map in a separate folder, perhaps underneath the part you're dealing with here. So I'm going to create a new folder here. I'm going to call it VSM for value stream map, and then I'm going to move into that folder. Then I'm going to give it a name, so I'm going to call it part number 1. And I click on the open, and you'll see this gives you the indication of where it's going to put the Excel sheet that's going to contain the value stream map. And then you click the OK, and it will automatically begin building the value stream map. What you'll see happening now is opening up the Excel template, and it will start to populate the value stream map with the details of the process from the line balance. Upon completion, you'll see up at the top here in row 1 and 2, it says value stream map for the part number 1, revision number 1. So we're going to actually allow you to automatically create revisions of the various processes that you're dealing with here. If we look at what it's done in the value stream area, it's created one value stream stack for each of the tasks that was in our line balancing. So for instance, mold parts, stack parts, buff 3 parts are equivalent to the first 3 steps in the process you can see here: mold parts, stack parts, buff 3 parts, etc. If we page down, you'll see here we've got the typical value added, non-value added wave down the bottom here. And down here we've got a kind of unique feature to the Timer Pro package. Here are each of the steps in the process, right? Along with the time. If I just point at the individual items, you'll see this is prepare mold, and it took 15 seconds to do that one. You can actually click here and see the video. So if I do a double click on the video field here, it will open up the free Timer Pro video viewer that you can give to anyone who's got Excel, and it will actually show you the video of that particular operation. Another important item on the value stream here is this area right here. And if I just make this a little bit bigger so we can see it, so I'm going to zoom in here to maybe 100%. What you'll see down here is add anything you want from here down by editing the file ValueStreamConfig.xls. So this is actually the template from which all your value streams will come from. And this means you can customize it to your exact needs. Any calculations or anything that you wish can be put right underneath the little value stream stack here by going and editing that particular process. I'll actually show you in the next video how you can bring that particular sheet up and make any edits you want. Meantime, you'll notice we also have all the drawing tools. So just in this example, I'm just going to grab one of my auto shapes here, and I'm going to add it to the value stream you see here. So let's pick one of the flowchart symbols. Let's pick this one right here, and we're just going to place it right on here. So what we've done is in revision 1, you can see revision 1 up here. This is part number 1. Timer Pro is managing revision number 1. We've just added this one particular indicator here that you see right here, and I'm going to save that. Back in my process now, I'm going to make a change. So I'm going to maybe move this non-value added replenish raw mold materials over from that operation to there. So I've actually updated one of the steps in our process, which of course would need to be reflected in the value stream map. So then all we do to update the value stream map, we hit we come up here to lean analysis. We again select the value stream map. We click on the browse option over here. And this time what we want to do is select the previous revision, which of course is revision number 1 of the value stream here. So call this one here. We click on open. And now what it's going to do when I click on the OK here, it's going to go ahead and it's going to create revision number 2. But revision number 2 is going to use the value stream map that you previously had in revision number 1. So the new graphic is going to be in there. And you can see it actually as it's being poured in here. Okay, now you can see up here we get part number 1, revision number 2 of it. And you can see the new drawing that we put in here is reflected here in the revision number 2. So what we're actually doing is creating a revision history of all the different value stream maps. What I'd like to show you now is the available icon library. If you click on here, there's two sheets at the bottom. One is the value stream itself, one is the available icon library. Right. And here we have a whole series of little icons that you can use in your value stream design. Of course, you can add your own. You're completely free to do that. You can grab any icon that's in here, just copy it and bring it over into the value stream map that you're putting together. So you wanted to put some data entry in here, you might just paste it in there and then position it where you'd like it to go. So you're free to add any icons you wish to the value stream icon library we give you, and you can use them to develop your own value stream map here. So if I zoom in here, you'll get a better idea of what the total value stream might look like if I just give it 50% here. So here you can see the area where you've got your actual drawings of the value stream. Here you've got your stacks representing the different steps in the process. This is the area you can customize to your own particular needs here. And if we page down, this is the area where we actually put in the process steps, each of the individual steps coming from the line balance is shown here. Along, if you're using videos, you'll get the attached videos. So we believe this is the only value stream map where you can actually embed videos into the value stream map that show you the actual process that is documented up here in the total process time, value added, non-value added, and so forth.